Feeling mo ba hindi ka makaka-invest sa real estate? Well, there are options that are affordable and easy for our expats in Dubai, especially for OFW. Currently, right now, I am in Vietnam and I'm trying to sit down and relax. But I had this thought of creating this content for everyone to see that there is a possibility to invest on a safe way in Dubai while working 9 to 5 for as low as 500 AED to 1000 AED if ever it happens in the future that you wanted to increase them. So I created this video and I hope you like it and I hope you stay until the end so you can implement them as soon as possible. People don't know that investing in real estate is hard to do in Dubai. Yes, mahal siya. For most people think na mahal because people think only that you can only invest in real estate if you are buying. But there's a lot of factors involved on real estate. You can either do rental, you can either do some leasing, and you can even invest on a pool of type of investors that invest on real estate where you will be investing your money that targets for all of their investment only for real estate, malls, luxury apartments. They handle all the properties, they do all the managements, they handle all the responsibilities while they share their profit for the one that invested. So it's less stress for everyone. And I hope this video would help you to realize that it is feasible for anyone to start a real estate investment here in Dubai. Legit, legal, and you can get a quarterly dividends. This has been going also in Philippines, but in Dubai, since you are working here, it's better if you will do your investments here. We all know that Dubai real estate is actually booming. If ikaw yung tipo ng tao na takot mag-risk and gusto mo ng passive income, I think this is really good for you. Property, you will buy shares of a company that runs malls, apartments, residential buildings, and luxury apartments here in Dubai. And then from that, they will give you their actual dividends in either quarterly basis, whatever the profit that they made on those apartments. So maganda siya if you are a starter and if you have a low salary or not as much, because if you will be investing in a real estate in Dubai, it will be huge. Second, it's good for people who doesn't want to have much of management. So if you're the type of person that come here in Dubai who just wanted to work, save, and then go back to your country or just work as much as you want and travel around the world, this is for you, because at least you are enjoying at the same time you're making a passive income that you would not even realize that after 10 years of working, maybe you can get a really good profit that you can use to travel more around the globe. There are some challenges, but I believe that what is important is if you are working and if you have a good salary, if you're having a good work, take advantage of the Dubai's market. 4 things that it benefits for beginners. First is it's low capital. 500 to 1080, you can actually start. Second, it's a passive income. Every quarter, they pay their 80% dividends to their investors. Third, it's liquid, meaning you can easily sell it in the stock market anytime if you decided to sell it. And fourth, no landlord stress. Being a business owner and handling real estate and rentals in Dubai, I have faced a lot of challenges from tenants, from maintenance, from managing apartments. It's really not easy. And if you are not the type of person who is having that patience and drive to actually run a rental business, this investment is really good for you. And if you have just money sitting on the bank, I suggest that you put some of your funds in this kind of portfolio. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, enable for you to participate in buying these shares, you need to have an investor card. You can download DFM or you can visit dfm.ae. It's actually available on the app, and then do the registration process. Usually the national investor number will be given to you in just 1 working day. And then once you already have the investor number, you can approach banks that offers these type of options. So Emirates NBD, ADCB, you have to open a trading account. So once you open a trading account, then you can start buying and participating in these IPO, and you can purchase the type of investment. Once you already have the actual investor number, you can start buying. Emirates REIT was launched 1 AED per share. Minimum share is 5,000. It all depends on every company. So you have to see the announcement and see if you can actually plunge in. What is the good thing to do while waiting is to save your money, at least 100 AED per month. So if there will be announcement, at least you are ready. After you bought the 500 shares at first, after the initial opening, you can buy and top up your investment through any exchange centers. So some are investing 300 dirhams per month to 500 dirhams per month, depending on your actual budget for investment each month. So look through to your budgeting every month so you can see if you have enough cash to actually invest, and this will teach you to save as well. So instead of spending too much on eating outside, keep your money and save it. Ano yung good thing dito is they pay the dividends every 3 months. So if things happen, nawalan kayo ng bahay, like this what's happening right now, we don't know what's gonna happen. Some of our fellow Filipino have lost their homes because some of the partitions have gone from Dubai. And that is happening in real life. We can either experience emergency, something that's unexpected through your business, through your parents, through your family, or even to your health. So what are you taking aside for your future self? I believe we have to think this thoroughly, because most of us have no idea or no thoughts somehow to think that something can happen in the future. I have been through a lot of things and challenge. I lost my mom. I had battled with my business. I have battled with myself in terms of mental, in terms of health. So these things are actually happening in real life. It's important that we look on our lessons, what we can do at this time, enable for us to prepare something in the future. It's okay to live in the moment, but at the same time, you secure your future as well. Quick reminder, REIT can go up and down, but if you are investing for a long-term dividends, meaning to say you're not thinking about the quarterly basis that you're getting the profit, but you're looking after the long term. Let's say this is your investment. Once you retire, then that's the time that you would actually going to check it. So it's like you're religiously going to commit, because one day you will not be here forever in Dubai. One day you will be thinking to go more on a relaxed state. And of course, you will be staying either in Manila, if you will be staying in another country. So at least it's a good thing that you are looking forward into something. And avoid any IPO that's not actually listed in Dubai Exchange. It's important that you only invest into something that you're actually safe. Common questions. May tax pa ba? As of now, wala sa UAE. So, diba, it's so good that this country is giving so much benefit for all of us working in Dubai. And most Filipino and most expats, they don't see this because they're living only in the moment. And let's take time to see the benefits that this country is offering, and then let's make the most out of it. Pwede ba kaya? I am an OFW, can I participate? Yes. So it doesn't need millions to start on REIT. It's actually created for small-time investors. Ano mas okay, REIT or own property? What is okay, REIT or own property? Two investments with two benefits. If you have already a lump sum money that you can pay for one land, then do that, because there's so much things that you can do in a land. It's actually increasing yearly, and at the same time, you can do many things. You can either resell it, you can either build an actual rental unit on them. So this is good for people who have large amount of money. But for people who doesn't want stress and getting salary at least 5,000 to 10,000 dirhams per month, which is, I believe there's a lot of Filipinos having that, do a favor for your long term, do a favor for your future self. It's feasible for someone who is determined. Save and start building your assets. I'm launching a mini course soon, investing in Dubai for beginners and real estate and REIT. Comment, read below so you can be notified when it drops. Thank you for watching. Follow for more budget tips, legal rental business in Dubai, how to start your rental in UAE, and how to grow your money kahit OFW ka. Thank you so much and have a good day.